Let's talk about styling the easy way. I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles that suit their body shape, their coloring, and their personality so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. How do you feel about getting dressed effortlessly? I'm sure if you're like most women, you want to be able to get dressed every morning, look great, and not have to put too much time into it. After all, when you're ready to go, you're ready to go. With that in mind, I'm going to show you 7 styles that you can use to update your look effortlessly. And you probably have those styles in your closet right now. My main purpose in this video is to give you some ideas and to get you thinking about how you can bring some pizzazz to your wardrobe. These suggestions I'm going to give you aren't just for dressing in a quick way and getting ready quickly. Mostly it's about when you don't feel that great about your look and you want to add some pizzazz to your look. So you're used to dressing a certain way and you're thinking, I wish there was some way that I could just add some more fun to my wardrobe. So that's what this video is about. I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can do that, or actually 7 styles you can use to do that. So let's start with number 1. The most important thing about being stylish is having a pulled together look, and that means every aspect of your look is great. So it's not just about your clothes you're wearing, whether they're stylish, whether the latest trend. Although that matters, that it's stylish and looks great on you, the most important thing is that you have that whole look that goes together so you look great all over. And the main thing about this, and you can't go without it, is to have your hair and makeup looking great. If your hair is not great or if your makeup isn't great, your whole look is going to be ruined, so it won't matter what you're wearing. So today for this video, I have partnered with Merit. I've partnered with them before, and I've been using their products for a while. I'm not sure quite how long, probably 8 months, might be a year, but I really like them. So I use their lipstick on a regular basis. So if you're ever wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, it's that one. And I think the color is called Fashion. So I'm going to use their products to demonstrate makeup, and you don't need to have a lot of makeup. So if you're thinking, I don't wear makeup and I don't know how to wear makeup, and if I wear makeup I might look like a mess, I would suggest first you find someone to help you with that. And if you can, just start with the basics, and the basics would be foundation, concealer, and it would be lipstick and blush. Just with those 3 things you'll be able to make your look presentable, and you'll be able to create an image that looks great. Before I started, I did my eyebrows and my eyelashes. This first product is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. This complexion stick is a foundation and a concealer all in one. So it hides perfections, it's lightweight, and is designed to give buildable coverage and maintain that translucency so you can see your skin through the makeup, which makes your skin have that natural glow. I'm also using the brush, the blending brush, which is designed specifically for these products, and it helps blend them all together. The next product is the Bronze Balm. And the Bronze Balm is nice and satiny, it's foolproof, and it just gives you that extra contour wherever you want to put it, and it leaves a long-lasting glow that is never cakey. So I'm also using the brush to blend this and to make it look more natural. Now the next product that I'm going to use is the cream blush, and a cream blush is nice to be able to put that blush in place, and then you can use the blending brush again to blend it all together. Now when you buy these products, they come with a signature bag. Your first shipment comes with a signature bag, and it ships free with your every first order. And also there's free shipping for orders over $40 and free returns. So my last product I'm going to use here is the lipstick. And this is a lipstick I usually wear when I do my videos, and the color is Fashion. So this is a quick, lightweight way to do your makeup if you want to be quick and still have a polished look. So now let's move on to our first style that you could have in your closet that will help bring your whole look up a notch. And that is a blazer. The main feature of a blazer, and this is why I chose it, is a blazer can pull the whole look together. So whether you're wearing it with jeans and a top, with pants and a top, with a skirt and a top, the blazer instantly brings your look up to another level. So now I'm going to show you how to actually bring it up even further. In order for this blazer to bring pizzazz to your wardrobe, it can't be just any old blazer. It has to be number one, that is great for your skin tone. So it has to harmonize with your skin tone. So that means it needs to be the right neutral or the right color. So no matter what blazer you have, maybe it's 1 or 2, 3, no matter how many, the blazer should be in your best neutral or color. So that for the best effect, number one is the color. Number two is the fit. So the blazer needs to fit your body. So that means it needs to be compatible with your body shape. There are all different types of blazers out there. You can get them short, you can get them long, all different types. But the best one for you is the one that suits your body shape. No matter what the style is or what's trending, you will look better when the blazer you choose is the one that suits you. So in order to create that pizzazz, your blazer needs to be suitable for your body shape. That means it should fit on the shoulders. It should be the right length, sleeve length. It should be the right length for your body. If it's too long, if it's too short for your body proportions, you won't look as great in it. So make sure that the blazer fits you well. Now, if you really want to add some pizzazz with this blazer, get one that's a little bit different. If that's your style personality, of course. If you really want to make some pizzazz happen with your blazer, choose one that is different. And this is only if it's suitable for your style personality. If you're a person who likes a traditional type blazer, well, just stick with that. If you're not comfortable with that, it will show. So stick to styles that suit your style personality. If you want to update your wardrobe, you want to look great, you want to do it effortlessly, but you have no idea where to start, I can help you with that, and I have several ways that I can help you with that. So we can chat about that if you'd like, and I'll put my email down below where you can contact me. The next style is a top or a blouse. And the main feature, and what I mean by main feature is why I'm choosing this, why it's important. The main feature is with a top, you can choose your best color. Big on color, I know, I'm big on color. Choose your best color, and you can also choose your best neckline. So when you have the two of those working in your favor, you're going to look a lot better. When you wear a top that is a color that's suitable for you and looks great on you, it's going to make your face look better, and your skin will look clearer, and your complexion will look clearer and will look nicer, and you'll look more radiant. So color in a top is very important. And when it comes to the neckline, I know that different necklines are more difficult to find, and like a V-neck, a round neck, very easy to find, and like a crew neck. But anything different than that is sometimes a little bit more challenging to find, but you can find it. So if you want to add that pizzazz, now we're talking pizzazz, you want to add that little extra pizzazz to your top, get one with a different neckline. And that will make a difference. So you can try that, and that for sure you'll have something in your closet. I'm sure if you look right now, you will find something that is a beautiful color. Might not have the neckline, but unusual necklines will draw attention to you and will create pizzazz. The fourth item is a dress, and the main feature is a dress is easy to wear. It's comfortable. It's one piece, which makes mixing and matching easier because you only have that one piece, and all you need to worry about is your footwear and your accessories. So a dress is that one item that you can pull on and really make a splash. So a couple of things about the dress is, of course, it has to be in your right color. And secondly, it needs to be one that suits your body shape. If you want to know more about body shapes and the styles that look great on them, I have a guide right here that you can download, and it will give you the styles that look great on each body shape. And these are generalities, they aren't specific. But it'll give you a good idea of body shapes and the clothes that look great on them. If you want this dress to create pizzazz, then the dress needs to have something different about it. That could be anything, and it would be best if it's something that really pulls you in, that you love. So when you really love something about an article of clothing, you're more likely to feel better when you wear it. So find a dress, if dresses are your thing, find a dress that you really love, and if you're artistic Annabelle, you can get a dress that is different, and that will really help you create pizzazz. For the fifth style, let's talk about pants. And the main feature of pants is that of course, they're on the bottom, but using pants, you can really bring a lot of pizzazz to your whole look. Now, this is what you need for pants to do that. They need to fit well, look great on your body shape, and be stylish. So whatever the style is that looks great on you and is stylish, that will make a good choice for you. Whatever shape is stylish at the time that you choose these pants, those are the ones that you'll make the most impact with. So the other thing about pants is to make them a little bit different, you can use texture. So if you choose pants that are faux leather, or if you find pants that are a plaid, that makes them different and they stand out. So for example, if you choose a pair of plaid pants that fit really well, you can take the colors in that plaid and add a top and a blazer that all goes together with those plaid pants. So you're using the plaid as a starting point to put your whole outfit, or the colors in your outfit, together. But if you're doing this, make sure that the colors, the one that you're going to choose for the top, is one that's really good for you. And again, to bring pizzazz to your outfit with pants, you can find different types of styles of pants that can really add to your look. Number 6 are accessories. And the main feature of accessories is they allow you to use your creativity to bring interest to your outfit. So the best way to use accessories, if you're using them as that item to bring out the pizzazz and to make your outfit look good, is to choose solid colors and neutrals, so you'll have more wiggle room when it comes to the accessories you choose. So if you have a outfit that is solid in color and neutral, so it's just solid colors and neutrals, and then you add a real statement necklace, or you wear a nice pair of shoes or a handbag, you can do whatever you want with your accessories when you have that solid base. So using accessories is a great way to bring pizzazz to your whole look. And depending on where you want to put the focus, that's where you put your accessories. Number 7 is a jacket or a coat. These are only great for a certain time of the year when it's cool enough. But when you have a jacket or a coat, the main feature in this is that it adds that. It's just one piece, and you can put it over your outfit. And if it's something that is in your best color, so if it's a jacket that's in your best color, it could be even a plaid or a print, whatever it is. It could be anything that you like. When you put it over your outfit, what you're seeing now is that outfit is your jacket or your coat. You still have to make sure whatever is under that looks great. It's not good enough just to have the coat or jacket. But in cooler weather, having that jacket that stands out really brings pizzazz to your look. So when you choose a jacket that you're going to be wearing a lot, make sure that it's something that you really like, that it's a color you like. You don't want to have a boring coat or jacket if it's something that you're wearing a lot. So it needs to be in your best color, has to be a great fit, and if it has some uniqueness and that matches your style personality, that is great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, Please share it with your friends, share it on your social media, and I will be back next week with more style tips. Until then, keep on styling.